Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I detangle dry knotted hair. And it doesn't matter your hair type, at some point we all have to detangle. I usually detangle my hair while I'm conditioning, as this provides me with enough slip to prevent damage to my hair. But if I'm not doing that method, I go in with these steps. It is just as effective to prevent breakage, frizz, split ends and other damages. I basically finger part my hair into smaller sections. Working in smaller sections allows me to be more effective, ensuring that each area of my hair is properly coated and get just the amount of attention that it needs. So I work a section at a time. As you can see, my hair is very dry and very knotted. So my first step is to hydrate, and what I'm using is water, plain old water. I mist my hair thoroughly from root to tip, and my hair is water loving, meaning it's medium to high porosity, and so I give it just the amount of water that it needs. If you have a lower porosity, you do the same, give it just what it needs. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I leave a link to my hair type video below, check it out. Next, I moisturize, and I'm using my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in cream, and I coat this along the shaft of my hair from root to tip, and I focus many of this product on the ends of my hair, as it is the older part of the hair. As a result, it tends to be the drier part of the hair. Next, I use an oil, and I'm using my Argan Oil. It's an all natural oil I picked up from Earth Elements all natural store on Constant Spring Road, and I work this in from root to tip just the same. The oil creates a barrier. The water and the cream tends to be water based, obviously. As a result, it tends to evaporate much quicker. If you put a sealant over that, such as an oil, it creates the barrier. As a result, the evaporation process is not as quickly, and as a result, your hair keeps moisturized for a much longer time. Next, I finger detangle, and I work my fingers through the hair, removing the larger knots. My hands are coated with the product, my fingers are coated with the products, and my hair is coated. As a result, the knots will just slip right out. If I had done this on dry hair, my finger would not have been able to go through, and I would get a lot of breakage, a lot of knots, and a lot of shedding. So if I have a little section that is dry, I mist it water or add a little bit more cream, and I continue with the process. As you can see, I do have a little bit of shedding. If I had not done this, I would have a way lot more. And next, I go in with a comb, a wide tooth comb, and I detangle from ends to roots. As you can see, the comb is pretty much gliding through the hair, and if I hadn't done this, trust me, this would not be happening. And I'm just removing the smaller knots from the hair that my fingers could not have removed. Again, little to no shedding. And I twist my hair, and I then move on to the next section. As you can see, my hair is pretty much bouncing back. It is hydrated, it's much more moisturized, and it has a really nice sheen to it, and it feels very, very soft. It is detangled, so I allow it to dry, and then I move on and style as needed. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do thumbs up, leave a comment below, share with all your friends, and do subscribe below. Until next time, I'm your girl Momo. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.